1號戒備信號生效，會喺日間維持。颱風鳳凰已經減弱成為強烈熱帶風暴。喺上晝9點，鳳凰集結喺香港嘅東南大約530公里，即係喺北緯19.6度、東經118.4度附近。預料向北移動，時速約10公里，橫過南海東北部。天文台話，除非鳳凰採取較接近廣東沿岸嘅路徑，否則改發3號強風信號嘅機會較低。天文台話，預料鳳凰今日稍後至晚間最接近本港，喺香港以東400公里以外掠過，隨後移向台灣一帶，逐漸遠離本港並減弱。
The observatory says it's unlikely to issue a higher storm signal as Typhoon Feng-Huang isn't expected to bring persistently strong winds to Hong Kong. Standby signal number 1 is currently in force, and the observatory says the warning will remain in effect for the day. Feng-Huang, which hit the Philippines as a super typhoon and killed at least 4 people, is expected to remain at least 400 kilometres away from Hong Kong as it passes east of the territory on its way to Taiwan. Unless the storm tracks closer to the Guangdong coast, the observatory said the chance of a T3 signal is relatively low.
1號戒備信號生效，表示有一個熱帶氣旋喺香港約800公里內可能影響本港。正午12點，強烈熱帶風暴鳳凰集結喺香港東南偏東大約510公里，即係北緯19.8度、東經118.3度附近。預料向北移動，時速大約10公里，橫過南海東北部。過去數小時，鳳凰稍為減弱。預料本港今日普遍地區持續吹強風機會較低，1號信號會喺今日日間維持。另一方面，鳳凰嘅外圍雨帶正係逐漸靠近珠江口一帶，預料本港會有一兩陣微雨。按照現時預測，鳳凰會喺晚間於香港以東400公里以外掠過，同時預料本港天氣會逐漸受東北季候風主導。當鳳凰對本港嘅威脅解除時候，天文台會以強烈季候風信號取代1號戒備信號，或者係取消所有熱帶氣旋警告信號。海有湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止水上活動。
The standby signal number 1 is in force. This means that a tropical cyclone now centered within about 800 kilometers of Hong Kong may affect us. At noon, severe tropical storm Feng-Huang was estimated to be about 510 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.8 degrees north, 118.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move north at about 10 kilometers per hour, crossing the northeastern part of the South China Sea. In the past few hours, Feng-Huang weakened slightly. The chance of having persistent, strong winds generally over the territory is relatively low today. The standby signal, number 1, will remain in force during the day today. Besides, the outer rain bands of Feng-Huang are edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary gradually. Locally, there will be 1 or 2 light rain patches. According to the present forecast, Feng-Huang will skirt more than 400 kilometers to the east of Hong Kong overnight today. Meanwhile, local weather is expected to be dominated by the northeast monsoon gradually. When Feng-Huang no longer poses a threat to Hong Kong, the observatory will replace the standby signal, number 1, by the strong monsoon signal, or cancel all tropical cyclone warning signals. There will be swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.